At the heart of Canada and Ontario's scientific research community is the Canadian Centre for Electron Microscopy, CCEM, a cornerstone for innovation and discovery. Located at McMaster University, exceptional technology and expertise converge at CCEM to propel research to new heights.
Our facility boasts an unparalleled collection of electron, ion, and X-ray microscopes, including international one-of-a-kind tools that place us at the global forefront for materials characterization.
With this unique suite of instrumentation, we can unveil the mysteries of materials from the macro scale to the atomic level, facilitating breakthroughs across various disciplines. These advancements not only push scientific boundaries, but also strengthen Canada and Ontario's economy by driving innovation and fostering industry partnerships.
The backbone of CCM is our team of dedicated professionals. Their deep knowledge and hands-on expertise are invaluable resources for both teaching and pioneering research. Their guidance helps those who access our facility unlock the full potential of our technology.
Through our collaborative efforts, we've seen tangible outcomes that resonate beyond the scientific community. Whether it's in the field of material engineering, energy, healthcare, semiconductors, or technology development, the work done here at CCEM contributes to advancements that touch lives around the world.
But CCM is about more than just advancing technologies. We are also focused on developing Canada's next generation of researchers through education and training, with a priority on increasing the equity, diversity, inclusion, and accessibility within the microscopy community.
We believe that we can advance Canada's economic prosperity through innovation and discovery by removing systemic barriers within the research community. CCEM stands as a pillar of scientific excellence and innovation. With cutting-edge technology, expert staff, and a vision for the future, we're not just observing the world, we're changing it. By strengthening industry collaborations and ensuring that research fuels economic development, CCEM plays a key role in securing the nation's position as a leader in technological innovation. Join us as we continue to explore, discover, and innovate.